Julienne the potatoes into thin strips. Soak in water so they don't discolor. Finely chop some spinach and place in a bowl. Add some sliced red onions. Up next is some finely chopped cilantro. Crack 3 eggs in a separate bowl. Add some freshly crushed pepper and mixed herbs. We added oregano and basil. Add salt to taste. Whisk everything together. Add the egg batter to our chopped ingredients. Now strain the julienne potatoes and dry them by pressing in between 2 kitchen towels. This removes excess moisture and helps them cook faster. Add the potatoes to the egg batter and mix everything well. Heat some olive oil and butter in a pan. Pour half the egg batter and spread it out evenly. Add a few slices of cheese. You can also add shredded cheese. Pour the remaining half of the egg batter over the cheese and pat everything even. Cover and cook until the bottom side is golden brown in color. You can check from time to time. Flip over on a plate and keep aside. Pour some more oil and butter on the pan. Slide the uncooked side of the omelette on the pan. Cover and cook until the other side is golden brown and done as well. Serve with some fresh fruits and ketchup and watch the smile on your little ones' faces as they gobble it down. They'll thank you for this one.